and welcome back. Today I am back with a garden video, and the plant next to me is Tulsi or Ocimum sanctum, and this plant is almost like 3 years old and it is very bushy. It's not just one plant, this is 5 plants in one big pot, and it's time for pruning. So I would like to share with you how I prune it today. Most importantly, for Tulsi's growth and lush leaves, pruning is the technique. As you can see, these flowers have formed into seed stage. So when it forms into seed stage, more amount of energy is required for Tulsi to stay alive. And also there is another possibility that the seeds fall on the ground and you will have small seedlings growing up everywhere. So it's important for the growth of the plant, and for the lush leaves, it's important to prune the plant, at least the leaves, at least the seeds. So I'm going to do pruning today, heavy pruning, and the leaf size definitely will increase with the pruning, and also the plant will be producing more flowers. That means it's like regrow. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to save some seeds for future years, but basically I'm going to do the heavy pruning today, and I'm using pruners. It's basically snipping the seeds like that. I'm not going all the way down. So when you prune, you will have multiple branches coming from, sides of the one single branch. So always prune. See? So I kind of hold it like that and then go all the way down. You can dry these leaves and use it as tea infusions. So that way it's really good, because of Tulsi has the ability to balance cortisol levels. Cortisol level is important. Balanced cortisol levels are important for a good night's sleep. Half an hour before you go to bed, if you have the tea infusions, then it will help the cortisol levels to be balanced, and you will have a good night's sleep. So that's what I do it for my kids. Epsom salt is basically magnesium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate helps the plant to have lush leaves. So every once a month, when you are seeing the growth of the plant, then it's important to give the fertilizers to the plant. Well, this is how it looks like now after pruning the Tulsi plant. I have left it too long for the seed stage, because I wanted to save the seeds for the future years. Now I'm going to take some of the seeds and put them in the Ziploc bag and freeze them for the later years. But I haven't had to use them at all, because this one, since 3 years, it's producing lush leaves, and I'm very happy with the growth of the plant. So basically, it's such a simple thing to do. When you see, after you save the seeds, and when you see there are flowers growing from the Tulsi plant, just pinch them off. So that should do well. And give fertilizers like manure, something like that, every 3 months. And water the plant when you see the soil is dry, the top layer of the soil is dry, and it requires full sun. So basically, these are the, if you take these type of care, with pruning, then Tulsi will last a longer period of time. Hope this was a helpful video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.